The Soybean Research Information Network, or SRIN for short, is a powerful tool for U.S. soybean farmers. This is your source for all research and information regarding soybean diseases, pests, diagnostic tools, and more. And with just a little training, this website is very easy to use. First, when using your computer, just open your internet browser and type in the URL or web address www.soybeanresearchinfo.com. This is the main landing page, and from here, you have quick links to 4 recent articles to give easy, quick access and new and current information. Just click anywhere on the box to read the full story. You can also easily navigate through content categories from the home page using the top navigation bar. For example, from the top navigation, if you place your mouse over Agronomics, it will open a drop-down list of options. You can scroll down to select any option. If you click on Cover Crops, you'll quickly see all available information on that topic. You can scroll down through the page to read the information. Going back to our top navigation bar, if you select Soybean Diseases, you'll find another drop-down menu of options. You can select one, let's say green stem disorder, to open that page and access all of the information about that disorder, with links to additional resources at the bottom of the page. From that top navigation bar, if you select Soybean Pests, you'll find the drop-down menu of all options related to that category. The Resources button in the top navigation bar is another easy way to access the information available, and functions similar to the other buttons in the navigation bar. These resources are expansive to help you find the research you need. Back to our home page. You can use your browser window's back button or click on the Soybean Research and Information Network logo at the top left corner to return to the home screen anytime. You can scroll down to find and select Soy Snippets, a monthly topic of interest where we take a deeper dive on information. And if you scroll further down, you will find a collection of videos you can view at any time. At the bottom of the page, you can subscribe to our newsletter, which is sent once a month and includes all of the articles posted that month, with relevant links to the website. Another way to filter the information on the website is to use the Search Projects field. On the right side, you have a drop-down menu. Click the caret to open the options and scroll to select the state you want. This will open a page showing everything your state is funding and the areas of focus within research. You can see an overview of all the information, click on Highlights, and open any article to get more information. You can also share any of the articles through email or social media. If you're using a mobile device to access soybeanresearchinfo.com, it looks the same, but you have what we call a hamburger button on the top right corner of the screen. If you click that button, it will open a page showing all of these links. The soybeanresearchinfo.com website, funded by the Soybean Checkoff, means user-friendly production research at your fingertips. Soybean farmers have a partner in production research, a partner that helps protect yield and profitability, and a partner that finds answers to established and emerging production challenges. We are your resource for the soybean research results that can be applied on the farm now and for generations to come.